In this video, I will show you 5 reasons why you should be using Facebook and Instagram ads to grow your business. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, like, oh, the glasses, the hat, and all this stuff. Well, when I was in Bermuda, I was watching TV on my phone too much, and I messed up my eyes. So my eyes getting a rest, I had to take my contacts out, and I have very crooked glasses, so I didn't use the hat to keep my glasses stable. I know I'm a hot mess, but I promise you that, I look very unprofessional. The amount of value that I will provide in this video is gonna outweigh that. So let's get into the video. What's going on, everybody? We back with no slack. I am Brandon Mullins, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and enhance your business through social media marketing, then subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Now, the very first reason why you really want to run these ads is primarily because you get in front of new people. When you're posting content, your stories and new posts or whatnot, it's cool, but a lot of people, they're already your clients, they're already your customers, and you want to expand or you want to grow your business. So therefore, you want to run these ads to get in front of new people, and this kind of leads into the second reason, which I'm actually taking to my my PC to kind of explain more. But that's that you can actually target specific people that relate to your product or service. And we're gonna go to my PC right now. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so we're on my PC right now, and back to what I was just talking about when I was saying you can target. So for instance, here's an example I used for one of my real estate clients. Target a location, United States, Florence, Kentucky, and excluded people who liked her page, basically because obviously she's trying to reach new people and not the fans that she already has. Age, obviously, because she's going after new home buyers, so therefore you kind of put the age listing between people 34 and 53. You don't want to be targeting people that are like 18 or 21. Those people are usually not looking for a house. And you can exclude certain people, so for instance other real estate agents, so they're not looking at your ad, so you're not wasting ad spend on people who are in your industry. And then you can target based on their home, their relationship, websites they already visited. So for instance, Zillow is a popular website that people go to when they're looking for a real estate agent. So therefore, since they already prompts that they have this interest in buying a house or finding a real estate agent. So Facebook tracks that, and therefore you run your ads to people who already had that specific behavior. Therefore, your ad is going to have a better conversion rate, and you're going to be able to relate to those specific people. So you can build that audience and build that client base that are your ideal, demographic. So that's why it works really, really well when it comes to targeting, and that's why I just believe that everybody should be utilizing Facebook ads. But I'm actually going to go into the number 3 reason, which is really, really cheap. So let me go over to it's kind of the results of this ad I ran. Especially if you're just starting off, you can spend about $5 a day. Probably run an ad for about 7 days. I ran this ad for 7 days, and as you guys can see here, I spent only $36. She reached though 1,200 people, and that's pretty powerful, for like people. And what I mean by reach, people who actually saw and actually most likely looked at the ad for more than 5 or 10 seconds, so they actually read the content. And it was a lead format, which is different types of ads. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that just yet, because it'll serve the purpose. But she got 18 people, so she got 18 leads, 18 contacts that she can call that were actually interested in the house listing that she got, which is super powerful. And not only that, she spent $2 on average per lead. Now, I don't honestly, that's kind of amazing. I don't know how I did it. If it was just sheer luck, you can usually expect about $5 to $10 per lead for a good ad. But regardless of the fact, that's just what I'm just trying to prove here, that they're cheap to run, and you can reach a lot of people and make a lot of money doing this to actually grow your business. And so it's just super powerful, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back off my PC. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's very cheap and easy to use, and it's just very powerful. I'm actually curious, do you guys think it's cheap? Leave that in the comment section below. And do you guys actually think it's worth it? Please, I'm curious, put that in the comment section. But the number four reason why you're probably thinking like, oh, other people use it, you know, it's very saturated. Actually, no, not a lot of people are utilizing Facebook ads and Facebook and Instagram ads. So you can really take advantage of this and get your exposure out there pretty early. That's actually one of the main reasons why I think that ad did so well, because in my area, in the Cincinnati area, not that many people are using ads. So that's kind of why she had the advantage, and she's gonna get a lot of exposure because of that, and she's also gonna be able to grow a lot quicker because of that as well. So yeah, guys, that's the main reason not many people are doing it. And also lead on to number 5. The number 5 reason why you should be running Facebook and Instagram ads is it's easy to learn. It doesn't take that long. Obviously, I'm speaking because I've been studying this stuff for a while, but it's really simple. And even if you don't know, you can easily hire someone to do it for you, and you will make 10 times your money back for the amount of money you spend that you invest. So yeah, guys, it's I'm sorry, this stuff I love, so I get like stuttery over this, but it's very powerful, and it's one of the main reasons if you want to grow, if you want to expand, if you're struggling on getting clients or getting certain products sold, or just getting customers into your local business. That's something that I really highly recommend that you go into, especially if you don't have the money to spend on billboards or a lot of the traditional marketing tactics. Invest in social media. That's where a lot of the eyeballs are at, and it works. It really works. I showed you the proof. It works, and yeah. So if you like this video, or if this video provided any value at all, please like and subscribe and share this with someone who you believe that would benefit from this. My name is Brandon Mullins once again, and please expect, I'm gonna probably do a video on showing you guys step by step on how to actually create your first Facebook ad. But once again, I'm Brandon Mullins, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.